Alright, we got the Cowboy Cauldron. It's a little rusty on the bottom. We're gonna bare fat this baby and look, watch the difference. Put it on heavy, spread it around. You can't put this on too heavy. It'll soak it right up. Just coat everything you can. Alright, she's ready for a nice big fire now. Gonna fire this baby up. Alright, we got a fire started. That'll melt that bare fat right into that steel. It'll look beautiful when it's done burning. She's on her way. That bare fat will melt into everything. Remember how rusted and nasty that cauldron looked? It's picture perfect now. That baby is shiny and looks beautiful. The bare fat's a wonderful item. You can smell that bare fat. It almost smells like a fondue restaurant. It's making me hungry. This is such an awesome fire pit. I'm gonna give Cowboy Cauldron 2 thumbs up on this. It's unique, it's a conversation piece, and it works really, really well. It really does smell like I'm cooking in a wok.